Hello friends, this is Melissa at Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is the Fall Fireplace Collaboration 2025. Our hosts are Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, Decorating on a Budget, and Jill at Jill Styles. Please check out their channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. Here is my fall mantle collab, my fall mantle. And here's what I've done. I handmade the garland on the mantle. I made the garland on the mantle in another video. And I also made the acorn in another video and the pumpkin. But we have our Mr. Squirrel. We have our garland, which is fall and turquoise flowers, and it's got some acorns and some pine cones. It's also got some leopard print here and there. Just to give it a little bit more character, I added leopard print here and there. Not just so it peeks out here and there. I didn't want it to be boom, but I just wanted it to be kind of peeking out here and there. Because, you know, the animal print can be kind of in your face. But we got our Papa Squirrel. We also have our scarecrow and our turquoise and orange. Because, you know, I like to decorate with turquoise. And our pumpkin stack. And then we have Mama Squirrel way up there on our candlestick. Well, tell me what you would do different and how you would make this better, because it's still a work in progress. We got a little ways till fall. Let me know how you'd change it. I can always use the help and ideas. Oh, I also have some white berries I forgot to talk about here and there. And I got lights, so this is really pretty at night. I love the look of it at night.